Hi, I'm Anna and I'm going to teach you how to identify and solve errors in Mapify. When you log in Mapify's console, you'll encounter a dashboard with some charts letting you know the current state of your data feeds and workflows. Mapify lets you filter which data feeds and workflows you want to see, as well as the time interval. Here we can check for any errors related to our workflows. Different types of errors have different colors. If you hover the mouse cursor on a particular bar, you'll be able to see more details as well. Nonetheless, these bars are clickable. When we click on one, we're taken to the console log tab, but already featured for that specific error type and time interval when it occurred. To keep investigating and access the log details, we have to click on an error from the list. Here we have some details, including the specific data feed message which caused the error to occur. There is also the stack trace that helps us trace this message along a workflow. This is where it started, going through all of these nodes until arriving at the HTTP request node which caused the error. If you want to see the affected workflow, you can easily click these arrows and go there directly. There's the possibility of visiting the monitoring section here, which shows us similar graphics to the ones we saw when entering the console. The difference is, here you'll be able to check messages and errors, but also the total workflow processing time and average processing time per message.